Hey Chris, my name is Josh Betzel, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Well, I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands saying, hey Josh, I like what you do. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help you in your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm talking about the literal words on your page, okay? How many words you have and what kind of words you use. All right, so when I plugged your content in this word counter, you popped up to have 198 words, all right? And then I go over to this other keywords tool I use. It's called Keywords Everywhere. It runs you about $10 for a couple of months because it's based off credits. It shows you what keywords you're ranking for in your content. And right now you're just ranking for Gutters, Orange Park, Florida. You are ranked at number 11 and you have a volume of 30. So I'm going to compare you to a competition online that I see. Your competition is Brothers Gutters. All right, Brothers Gutters is your competition because when you type in gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida into the search bar of Google, they are the first organic website page, okay? Yelp is up there because they're a directory site, but the most organic is Brothers Gutters. So when I go to Brothers Gutters and I type their words in, they only had 234. What you really want to be optimized at is roughly 1,500 on the home page of your website. When I use their keywords everywhere and plug them in, look at all the keywords they're ranking for. All right, so Gutters, Jacksonville, Florida, they're ranked number 1. 480 searches a month are getting referred to Brothers Gutters because they're ranked for that keyword. Gutter installation, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 1, 480. Gutter repair, Jacksonville, Florida, they're ranked number 2, 70 searches a month. Jacksonville Gutters, they're ranked number 3, 210 searches a month. Gutter companies, Jacksonville, Florida, etc. So you can just see all the words that they're ranking for, and it's kind of not shocking how you can see how they're so high up in Google. All right, so that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about content and keywords. All right, the next thing I want to go over is just how this first page of Google is laid out, okay? So the first thing we see here are ads. Ads are good, okay, but studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if they are not used correctly. And the second thing is the map pack, which brings me to the second thing I want to talk to you about, which is citations. Okay, citations is how you get ranked in this map pack. So now you're asking, hey, how do I rank in this map packs and get these citations? To answer your question, we go over to this tool I use. It's called WhiteSpark. It's a local citation finder. That's WHITESPARK.ca, WhiteSpark, and it lets you know how many citations you have. So as you can see, you have 7. Your competition, when I plug them into WhiteSpark, they have 19, okay? When I go over and actually click into the map pack, I go all the way down, and then I click on page 2. And I see you are right here, A+ Gutters LLC. So you're on the second page, which isn't awful, okay, but you're not on the first page. And most importantly, you're not in the top 3. So if you're not in the top 3 and somebody's searching gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida looking for those services, you could be losing those eyes by not being in this top 3. So next thing I want to go over is backlinks, okay? Backlinks are also known as link juice, and what I use to operate these backlinks is called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is a really good search engine. Costs you roughly $180 a month, and it basically shows you and your competition's backlinks and referring domains and whatnot. So you have 50 backlinks and 12 referring domains. That's pretty good, all right? And when we go over to your competition in Ahrefs, they have 43 backlinks and 21 referring domains. So you guys are pretty neck and neck. This is very, very beatable. But what is really important to know is that not all backlinks are created equal, all right? So for example, if you have let's say LinkedIn linking back to your website, that's going to be more relative than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking back at you. Because, well, let's be real, you sling gutter installations for a living. You don't do pizzas, all right? So it's just not relative enough for Google to actually consider it organic or relative to scale you. All right. So content, citations, and backlinks and link juice. Those were the three things I wanted to go over. And as we go back over this, as we're closing it, your front page, it needs at least 1,500 keywords, all right? And you really got to optimize those certain keywords so you can have 480 people searching a month being referred to your website. Okay, the second thing was citations. You want 200 to 300 of these citations to beat your competition by a landslide. Okay, and citations really just help the Google Map Pack. All right, then the last thing was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And that's how you scale your business online. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-901-6020. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-901-6020. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have the best day.